Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, I want to show you how to make a ghost with things you have around your house. It'll be really fun because Halloween's coming up and ghosts are kind of fun. In our classroom, we make ghosties all the time, so I just want to show you how to do this. So it's coffee filters, some glue, our friend school glue, and a paper cup. I'm using an old plastic bag to cover my cup, and now I'm going to show you how to do it. First, it's messy, so I'm going to wear gloves. But you know what? You don't have to. I just don't want to be all messy. Okay. Gloves are kind of fun too. Okay. My glue mixture is half glue and half water, and I stirred it up with an old stick I had. Here it is. Oh, my stick is stuck to the table now. Stir it up so it's nice and mixed. I'm using paper to cover my work area. You could use newspaper or old paper. I found a piece of cardboard because it's messy and it's gonna drip. I made this one earlier, and then I used our friend's permanent marker to make a funny face. This is one coffee filter. I think if you wanted your ghost to be more white, you could use 2 coffee filters together, but I'm going to show you just one coffee filter. So I have a paper cup. It could be any kind of paper cup. It could even be a real cup, like a glass cup or a plastic cup. But you want to cover it with something because the glue is going to stick to it. So I found an old plastic bag and I'm covering up my cup. And now, this one I did already. I'll show you how to take it out in a sec. Okay, here's my filter. One filter. Gloves on, work surface covered. Gonna dip it in. And now you have kind of gluey, it's kind of fun. It's a gluey mess. You want to dry it, not all the way, but pretty much. Carefully, because now it's super thin. Carefully open it up, put it on top of your cup, center it as best you can. Use your fingers to kind of make your ghost go however you want your ghost to do. Ta-da! And then stick it out in the sun or in your house to dry. Here's one I made earlier. I'm going to show you. It has plastic around the cup. I'm going to open it up. I'm going to take the cup out. Now I'm going to carefully, it's not 100% dry, I'm going to pull out the plastic. Check that out. You could make a bunch of them. You could put tea lights inside them. Make faces on them. This is just so cool when it dries. Could have ghosties. Okay, and then if you wanted to do something, I'm gonna take the gloves off and show you something else you can do. You could get some thread and a needle, go up through the bottom of your ghostie, and then you could hang them in your tree or outside your house. Ooh. All right, happy Halloween, everyone. If you like this video, you could subscribe to our channel down below at YouTube, Alameda Arts. And if you make any ghosts, take a picture of them and send it to us. # Alameda Arts Fun on Instagram. Thanks for joining us. Have fun.
Bye, everyone.
Bye, friends.